Now moving up to our next program, ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite our VIP guest, Principal of Don Bosco, Manday, Father Jowel Ekka, to come over the dais and deliver a speech. Sir, please.
Borok Paramedical Institute and Technology Administrator, faculty members, students, and all of you gathered. I am happy to deliver a short speech and happy to be part of this institution. So it's my joy to say a few words. First of all, I thank God as well as thank the faculty members for welcoming me and honoring me. Thanks for everything, and I wish all the best, that you may do your very best. This institution is run by Borok Hamkrai Welfare Society, President Jiten Devarma, whom I know very recently. He has met me, and along with him, Administrator James Malsom and others. So I'm happy to be here, and it's so nice to see that Paramedical Institute and Technology has been started here, which is the dream for many young people who will be able to get knowledge, and they will be able to excel in knowledge. I'm happy that they sang a very melodious song invoking God's presence in this place, in the lives of the students who will be coming to these institutions, and the faculty members and all the people here. And it is God who starts everything, and God will complete. Here in this inauguration program, here in the backdrop, it is written to excel in knowledge. Whatever to excel, we need to begin well. And they have begun well, and God is with you to bring it to completion. In fact, I myself have experienced at different places. First, I was a principal at Don Bosco College, Don Bosco School, Baijalbari, Hawaii, which was also begun in 2009, and that too had a small beginning, likewise, with bamboo huts and tin roofs. And today, you go and visit Don Bosco School, Baijalbari, what it is today. Likewise, in 2009, I have come to Don Bosco School, Manday, Kairai Manday, which also began in 2008 with bamboo huts and tin roofs, and students experienced floods over there. But today, they are studying in Delhi, they are studying in Bangalore, they are studying at different places. So, my message is for all of you here, faculty members, the society which is running this institution. Though the beginning is humble, simple, a small one, but it will bloom. Just a small tree is just planted and it is growing, and God is there to shower a lot of blessings as you have sung, so too you will receive God's blessings. So it's my message that education is moving from darkness to brightness, from darkness to light. So here this KOKBOROK Paramedical Institute and technology will bring light to many people who are living in darkness. Once they get educated, they will be able to live in light. They will be able to serve many people. And I would like to wish all the best for the students who are maybe small in number, but you will be able to get lot of help and support from the faculties who are trained, qualified, and they will be able to guide you in a close manner, meticulously, because you are less in number and they will be able to give you person-to-person education in theory as well as in practical. So I wish that this institution will grow well with God's blessings and so many people's support. That's my wish and message. And this small tree will bloom. Just as you can see here, so many trees have grown and there is to give shelter to so many people because it is taken care of, watered well, and it has grown and is giving shade and lots of benefits to the people, to the beneficiaries. Likewise, this KOKBOROK Paramedical Institute and technology will give life to many people. I suppose some of you have seen movie Super 30, in which it is said one person educated in one family, for many generations they will receive the blessings. If a person is educated from a family, that family's generations will receive a lot of help and support and blessings. So likewise, here, all those who will be studying, you will be able to get trained well and you will be able to make your society grow. Let nothing upset you, let nothing disturb you, says Don Bosco. Likewise, here, though starting point may be experiencing difficulties and problems, but be assured of God's blessings that God has said, Don Bosco has said that let nothing disturb you, let nothing upset you. God is with you and your good work, your works of dedication service, message to all the faculty members, your commitment service and dedicated service will bear fruit. No matter you may have to go through hard work and difficulties and problems in the beginning, but your hard work and dedication, dedicated service and commitment, sincerity, honesty will pay you off. That's my message. Ang kisah KOKBOROK bai bo sana mucungo, tini ang orok kutum oro pai manjak mangka, te ang belai ke tongtu zago tamning ke o institution by samung khainal bage ang chance mangka borok by malai ano ringnan bage ang norok no hambario te ang sana musungo norok no kaitor chubanai norok ni samung oro chengmani pohorni langmau himnani bagi norok o institute no cengkha borok je munago himei tongo borok no pohor phununani bagi norok o institute college no cengkha norok ni sakthar mano kaitor hamari rinai te norok success nai o chikon sa college tabuk chikon sa haike nugo omo kotor buthai thainai ulo abono ang sana muchungo norok no kaitor hamari ruthung te norok ni samung rok joto success unthung hine ang khabai khubai wish klayo jotono hambai. Thank you very much to one and all. God bless you all.